I'm just gonna put on some lashes. So I have these lashes here. As you can see, they're a cat eye lash. These are CEO of lashes. They come in a 5-piece set. I sell them on my site, www.bundleshair.ca/shop-bundles. I'll leave the link in the description. So we're just gonna put these on today and glam up my look a little bit. So I have Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins Dark. So it's a dark glue. It's not the stickiest. I got it from Shoppers Drug Mart. I think they were out of the white glue that comes in the tube. You need a lot to get it to really get tacky to stick to your lash line. So I'm just applying a lot, as you can see. I'm gonna let it get a little bit tacky. And guys, please support Bundles. We are a Black female-owned small business, Canadian business. And we would really appreciate the support. If you can even subscribe to our mailing list on my site. Just check out this site, look around, check out our about page, learn more about us, subscribe to our mailing list. And here I am with my CEO of Lashes 5-piece lash set on. This is just one of the lashes. So as you can see, it's a beautiful cat eye. I look gorgeous. They're pretty natural to go out for the day. So I'm gonna go out like this, and we are gonna do a little shopping for some St. Patty's Day decor and some alcohol. And remember to go to www.bundleshair.ca/shop-bundles to shop our Bundles hair products. Today I'm wearing CEO of Lash's 5-piece lash set. It's just $20.23 Canadian on sale. So go to our site. I'll leave the link in the description. Make sure you shop this look. All right, good night, guys.